my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. This is Leanne, and I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I am going to make, once again, a resin notepad cover. So, without further ado, let's get to it. I am missing some very much, and I thought to make one summary piece. And as my favorite colors are blue and green, I thought to make a lovely meadow piece, and I have also some pressed poppies still in my collection, so why not make a nice summer picture? So first things first, I have premixed my resin, and the resin I am using today is from company Just For You Online UK with a violet label. And I am dividing it to mix my blue and green. And as you saw, I had little pots of glitter that I received with some items from Amazon. So I will be adding them as well, as I think it's going to be a nice touch. If you are enjoying this video so far, my lovelies, please click a like. And if you like videos about resin and everything connected with resin, please consider to subscribe. I do upload twice a week, every Wednesday and Saturday. So there is always something new to see. Thank you. And now back to the video. Here I am mixing my blue. I am aiming for quite transparent look. And now it's time to start to work on my notepad, and it's going to be in 2 layers, and I am trying to put a very thin layer at the moment because these molds are very shallow. And so far I'm very happy how the colors are looking. And after that's done, I will add some flowers. And now I put some music in background and let you enjoy the process. And see you in a bit. So the first layer is done now. It's time to let it cure. And now it's the next day. I will add the top layer to seal in the flowers. And I am adding just a little bit of silver, fine glitter to make it a bit sparkly. And you see how nice it looks. And now it's just to put a thin top coat and fill the mold. And that's that. So I am popping bubbles with a gentle heat and let them to cure. And this is about 3 or 4 days later, because I like to let the resin cure properly, as I do not want that they bend, as they are quite thin. So it's demolding time and they look great. And here I have my new tool next to me that I purchased recently, and it is to scrape off the excess resin. Like here I have a bit overspill, and I will try to use it and get it off. If the overspill is not too thick, it works fine, but I had quite thick one, so I had to use Dremel in the end to get it off. And here I have everything ready to be assembled. My paper, my rings, and and every time I try to assemble it, I struggle. I don't know if there is the right way. So if you have any tips for me, I am all ears. And finally, here it is, all assembled and ready. So if you found this video useful and helpful, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.